Gold. Throughout the history of human existence, gold was a sign of power, prosperity, and security. Over the past 10 years, the value of gold has increased by 366%, and financial experts such as Dominique Strauss-Kahn, Steve Forbes, and many others predict in the coming years significant changes in the global financial system and a multiple increase in the value of gold. Today, the value of gold continues to grow. Over the past year, it has grown by 20%. The growth in the value of gold is important not only for direct investment in gold, but also for the gold mining industry. In this field, with the growth of cost, the prospects and opportunities are much more interesting. Today, gold mining has ceased to be similar to gambling as it was in the famous gold races in the 19th century, when thousands of gold prospectors have failed or died, and only some of them are managed to become fabulously rich. It has gradually developed into an enterprise with accounting for all costs and results. With a stable price for gold, the profitability of gold mining ranges from 50 to 400% per annum, depending on the specific deposit and technologies used. When the deposit allows it to be extracted for many years, the profit reaches thousands of percent. With an increase in the value of gold, the profitability of production increases in proportion. This leads to a reduction in the payback period and increase in gross profit from each enterprise. Thus, investments in gold mining have always been and will be highly effective. It is in this sphere that the leading investors of the world invest money. This strategy is used by Gold Mining Tech Incorporation. This is a modern and innovative international financial and industrial group of companies that perform a full cycle of work, from attracting investments in the gold mining industry to selling gold on the market and paying dividends to investors. Small and medium-sized investors cannot enter the industrial gold mining sector. The development of a gold deposit requires investments of at least several $million. Trust Gold Mining Tech Incorporation has applied methods of modern mass investment and micro investment for the possibility of entry of small and medium-sized investors into the sector of industrial gold mining. Gold Mining Tech Incorporation has been developing gold deposits for the third year on 2 sites, 13 and 101 square kilometers in Guinea. This country was not chosen by chance. Guinea has one of the richest reserves of alluvial gold and mining gold on the African continent. The main deposits of alluvial gold are at a shallow depth from 0.5 to 5 meters and are easily accessible. A simplified procedure for obtaining a license for gold mining, low taxes, and financial investments from the state attract foreign investors. The period of development of the gold deposit is more than 5 years, and the profitability rate reaches 180 to 190% per year. The main advantage of investing in gold is the high demand, high liquidity, and trends to the constant growth of gold prices. Before, investing in gold was available only to large industrial financial corporations. The group of companies GMT Incorporation makes investing in gold mining affordable for everyone. Now it is much easier to invest and multiply your capital thanks to a unique system developed by the leading economists of GMT Incorporation. To start earning on your investment right now, you only need to do 2 simple steps. Choose and become the owner of 1 or more investor packages. And that's all. You will immediately start earning on your investments. Each investment package contains an appropriate number of shares, the so-called GSA, Gold Stable Assets. The starting price of the GSA sale is $2, and over time, it will rise. In addition to assets, each investor package contains bonus points. When accumulated, the investor receives additional income from other participants who purchase investment packages. The profitability of one GSA, predicted by economic analysts by the end of the first year, will be about $5 per year. The company plans to increase the income every year. All income received by investors is divided into two equal parts. The first is paid in the form of dividends. The second is accumulated in the form of gold reserves in bank accounts, and therefore constitutes the personal assets of investors. The greater the volume of the investor's personal assets is, the greater profit he receives. In the future, the shares of the company will be issued at a nominal price based on the volume of this asset. The corporatization of the company and the public offering of shares on trading floors will be a powerful tool to increase the price growth and return on assets. Already from this moment, the estimated cost of the capitalization of an asset will be $40 and will be completely guaranteed by gold. Based on the size of this capitalization, the shares will be issued at a nominal price. After entering the exchange, the market value of shares will increase. The projected value of the shares received by the investor for one asset can reach from $120 to $800. Therefore, the growth of your investments will change from $2 for one asset up to $120 to $800. You must agree, these are very attractive conditions for investing. And most importantly, gold was, is, and will be the most reliable way of multiplying the capital. It never depreciates, but only constantly increases in price. Invest with Gold Mining Tech Incorporation and start earning your own investments right now.